Hello, Elaine here with Elaine's Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make this card with the free Sale-A-Bration set, Beautifully Happy. Here is another Beautifully Happy card using the Beautifully Happy free Sale-A-Bration set that you can get when you place a $100 order during Sale-A-Bration. Just wanted to show you a couple other samples of this beautiful set that I made. Now this is just a simple card, but I think it's very pretty and effective. I'm using a fresh freesia card base and then a piece of basic white that's 4 by 5 1/4, and some of the Dandy Designs free Sale-A-Bration paper that you can also earn with a $100 order. And this one is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And I'm just gonna adhere this down. Now I'm going to color on the stamp. I'm gonna do fresh freesia for the flowers and granny apple green for the leaves. Now I can use the stamps to color in the flowers and leaves and then add a little bit of splatter around the flowers for a little accent. And then I'm just gonna add the little sentiment in the bottom corner in Memento Black to make it really stand out, and just use dimensionals to put it on. And lastly, add some of the brass butterflies for fun little accents. And there's my fresh freesia Beautifully Happy card.